What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to talk about something special, and some of you have asked about this, is how I learned, or aka how I taught myself to strum and sing at the same time. Now, I just want to let you know that I've only really been playing for 2 years, so I'm still learning, but this is some of the tricks that I kind of did for myself to help me strum and sing. So if you want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Also, one thing I do want to mention is I did create a Patreon account. If you do want to support this channel in any way, click the Patreon link down below. I'll put it in the description, also in the top of the comments. Go click it if you do want to support. I would love you forever. Also, if you do want to spread the love of this video, make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. That pretty much tells YouTube that this video is awesome and they're going to spread it out. I was going to say share it out, but spread it out to other people that don't know about this channel just yet. Also, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button below. I can't speak today. It looks a little bit like this. Click it and it'll turn gray. That means you're subscribed. And finally, turn on post notifications if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And yeah, I guess also follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We have a good time. We just passed 50,000 followers on Instagram, which is absolutely crazy. So that is all for that sort of self-promo stuff. Let's get into the video. So the first step is to obviously pick up the ukulele and make sure it's in tune. So for this sort of example, I'm going to be singing or humming the Riptide by Vance Joy song, which is just A minor, G, C. Again, it's just A minor, G, C. So let's talk about the strumming of this song. So it's just going to be a regular island strum, and it's just going to go for the A minor. You're going to do it once, which is down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to go to the G, and we're going to do it once again. Down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to go to C, but we're going to do it twice. So it's going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you're going to go back to A minor and do it once, G minor, do it once, C, do it twice. So if you're still like, Ricky, I don't want to strum and sing at the same time, second tip is to just do down strumming until you get comfortable with the tempo and the lyrics. So it could be like, I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. So that's kind of like how you could practice getting comfortable with strumming, just doing a down strum. And I guess the next tip is to have the chord sheet and the lyrics with the chords above the actual word that you'd be strumming on. And lucky for you, I have that in the description below for you, ready to go. So just check the description. You can copy and paste it, put it on your laptop so you can kind of go at your own pace. But that is a really helpful way to kind of visually see where you need to be strumming. So actually, let me put it on the screen right here, and we're going to do down strums for every chord. So I'm going to have the lyrics on screen with the chords, and let's just do the first little bit of the song. In 3, 2, 1. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green, and you're the magician's assistant in their dreams. So again, if you do want to practice that part, go ahead, rewind. It really is easier to just do single strums down. And if you're having trouble with the lyrics, if you're like, Ricky, I don't really know the song too well, you can hum it. That's what I do for a lot of new songs that I don't know the lyrics to, because again, I'm not the greatest at learning lyrics sometimes. I do kind of mess up. Sometimes even in the play-alongs, I'll say something else, but I'll keep going because it sounds okay. You know what I mean? So you could hum. So if you don't want to sing, let's do it. Let's do that little part again, but let's just hum it. It might be easier. So in 3, 2, 1. So again, humming is a great way to sort of substitute the singing because in the beginning, and I remember this when I first started out, and again, I've only been playing for almost about 2 years. I remember like the whole strumming thing and then singing and then the chord changes. It was a lot, and I feel you. I totally understand. But once you get the chords down with the finger placement, I would recommend doing the down strum. And then once you're comfortable with the chord changes and the down strumming, add the hum to it. So, and then once you kind of get more comfortable with the humming, you can slowly introduce the lyrics. So it could be like, I was scared. And if you don't know the next part, you go like, and just slowly introduce the lyrics to the song. But again, still doing the down strum because your brain will start sort of remember when you need to strum down. And then finally, when you kind of get really comfortable with everything that we've done so far, you can slowly add the strum. And again, I wouldn't go straight into like really fast. Slow it down. Nobody's pressuring you into being a super fast ukulele player just yet. Everybody starts somewhere. So let's do the strumming and the humming together. I'll put the lyrics on screen, and let's just do a slow strum. So it would be like this. The strumming, I'll just sort of give you an example how slow we would do it. And it would just sound like this. So that's how slow we're gonna strum, and we're gonna hum together in 3, 2, 1. So again, you can do it as slow or fast as you want with the strumming and the singing. Or if you're feeling comfortable with the strumming and the singing, just do it together. So let's finally end this video with just a straight up singing and strumming. We're going to do a little bit quicker. But again, if you're still having a little bit of trouble, go rewind and just sort of practice a little bit more. But let's see how it would kind of sound all together in a regular tempoed played song. All right, in 3, 2, 1. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their So that's kind of how I learned how to strum and sing. And again, it's not gonna just be in a 10-minute video that you're gonna be like, oh, now I know how to do it. It takes a little bit of practice, and that's probably the biggest thing that I would always say to anybody that wants to learn how to play a new instrument, or to learn how to sing, or to learn how to play and sing. It just takes practice. You really have to just dedicate some time and just really get comfortable with sort of everything individually, knowing the chords and the chord finger placement for each chord, knowing how to strum. So make sure you kind of practice the down strum, and if you're already a little bit more advanced, make sure to practice the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. Get really comfortable with that, and then adding in the both chord changes and the strumming pattern, knowing when to change the chords. Again, the chord sheet will be very helpful with that. Again, link below, or in the description below, not link below, but in the description below you'll find all of that information. And again, it really helps to have it visually in front of you so you can see when to change chords. And last but not least, make sure to hum the song if you don't know the lyrics, but you do know sort of the tempo, and that way in your head you'll start to learn that as well, which will help with the strumming and then also the chords and changing of the chords. And then lastly, sing your heart out. Just have fun with it. Really, this instrument for me just brings out a lot of joy, and I am so happy that I picked it up. If you do want to know what ukulele this is, it is the Kumu Tenor Ukulele, and it is the X1 Pro, which basically just means it has, if it can focus, there you go. It has this pickup right here. So if you just turn it on, so you see that light came on, and you can really mess with, oh my God, focus. Is it gonna focus? Probably not, but maybe I'll do a close-up shot of it. But you can really sort of have 4 different controls, and you can make it sound louder, you can make it have a delay, a reverb, and a chorus. So I'll show you what it sounds like without. That's without, and then I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just going to put everything just at a level 100. Why not? Why not? But yeah, this Kumu ukulele is absolutely beautiful. I'll put a link to the website below if you want to know more about it. So this is with everything on. Yeah, it's cool. Basically, it just has a built-in amp, if you will. You can actually also plug it in to an amp, but this is, I think, really cool if you are busking, aka performing on the street, and you don't have an amp that you want to spend a bunch of money on. This is pretty much your answer to just playing and having it be loud and having that reverb and that sort of echo effect. This one is absolutely beautiful. So I'd highly recommend if you do want a really nice quality ukulele that has really amazing features. Boom. Recommend this one. Again, link will be in the description below to check it out. Also, their Instagram is just leilani_kumu_ukulele. So if you want to go check them out, leave some love on their channel, on their page. Highly recommend. I absolutely love working with them. They have been such an amazing company to work with, so I couldn't, say anything bad. Not because they're paying me to say everything good, but just because these are amazing quality instruments. So highly recommend. Again, if you did like this video and it was helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below letting me know if you have any other tips that you sort of learned when you were trying to strum and sing at the same time. Again, I'm not a full expert because I've only been doing this for 2 years, but I feel like I've kind of mastered my own way of strumming and singing. Again, all through practice. So if you want to learn how to do this and you want to be better at strumming and singing, practice will be your best friend. Also, I will be your best friend because I will teach you a lot of the songs. And again, that leads into the tutorials and play-alongs. If you have any songs that you want to learn, I'm your boy. Come leave me a comment. Be like, yo, Ricky, I want to learn Celine Dion song. I'll be like, okay, I'll try and learn it. I don't know why I said Celine Dion, but something, in the lines of, hey, maybe not yell at me either. Maybe just write it in the comments. Just give me suggestions for songs that you want to know, and I will be happy to do it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you watching these videos. I love you, if you will. This got very personal, but I do. I love that you watch these videos. I love that you love these videos. I love that you share these videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.